What's up everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about file extension. What's a file extension and how to view file extension. So first of all, file extension is the letters immediately shown after last period in the file name. And this extension allows operation system to know what type of file is that and what program to run when you double click on it. So for example, right here, I have on the desktop, I have 4 different files. One's right here, another one here, here, and here. And I don't know what there's file extensions. So multiple ways to do that. You can right click on it and then you can click on properties. And in here, you're going to be able to see in parentheses .txt, that stands for text file, and it knows to open Notepad. And then, for example, another one, file, and then properties. This one is .zip, so it's zipped file. And same thing, this one I think MSI, and this one's ISO. So this is one way, right click and you can view through the properties. But then there is another way. You can always have your file extension shown in your windows. So open your File Explorer and then in here press on View and then File Name Extension, put a check mark. Once you do that, close it, and right here you can see this is ISO file and it shows .iso, .txt, this one .msi, and this one .zip. And for example, if you have other ones like PDF or some other ones, you'll see all other extensions. And for example, if you don't know what kind of extension is it, what you can do, you can open your internet browser and go to Google, and in here just type, for example, zip and then press enter, and most likely the result you're gonna get explaining what kind of file extension that is and what kind of program do you need to open it. So for zip, it gives me 7-zip. And let's change this to PDF and then press enter. It gives you PDF reader by Adobe. And right here, there's another link, what's a PDF. So this is the best way to look up and see what kind of extension is that if you don't know, and what kind of program or software you need to open that specific file. Also, one more thing I wanted to actually show you. So for example, if you have your extension shown in your Windows and by some reason you downloaded some kind of file and you'll see file name .extension, and then there is second extension. So for example, let's add this one, I don't know, let's add MSI or something, and then press enter. It's going to ask me if I would like to change it. So for example, if you'll see like some kind of file name and then it's going to be .zip, .msi, you have to keep in mind that that's a suspicious file. Most likely that's a malware or virus or something, because there is no file type with 2 extensions. So for example, if we go back here and we disable this, we uncheck this file name extension and then we close this, as you can see right here, by default it took the extension off, but this file is still, it says .zip. So by default, if you think, oh, zip is okay file, but your extension is not enabled, that's mean this file is some kind of fishy. So you gotta watch out for those type of things if you don't have extensions enabled, and if by some reason you see some kind of file extension, that's a suspicious file. That could be a malware or something else. And if you still would like to run it, download some kind of antivirus software or anti-malware software or some kind of to check, make sure that file is safe. But I would not recommend running it. And this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.